Hey, good day. This is Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert. You know what is financial security means to you and how to adopt that financial security. Everybody is thinking about these scenarios in a life, but how to adopt and how to manage the financial security in a right way is nobody is having that particular knowledge. Here I'm decoded the exact ways and what is the characteristics of the financial security means to every individuals. Let's go and dive into this. It will be very useful for you to get the information about financial security, what is financial security and what is financial security means to you, how it will impact in individual life. Let's go and dive the information why it is most important in a life to acquire the financial security means to every individual in the society, every individuals in the world. So what is exact mean? So here just I'm sharing my screen to you so that you can have a clear visibility about the things, what is exact information about the financial security. 1 minute. Yes. So I think you have seen this video. In this video you are able to understand the exact meaning of a financial security and how to adopt that financial security. So what is the main thing, how it is a main financial security means to you, what is the exact meaning of financial security. So I think everybody is understanding that the financial security is, it is a peace of mind or not worrying about the money to cover expenses or having a savings to cover in any emergencies. Is this financial security means to you? Please rethink that. I think or you need to adopt the scenarios. Whenever you have a financial security, you will be very peace in your life, or you don't have to be bothered about the expenses or bills or whatever the things are expenses happening in a daily basis or monthly basis. You don't have any such tension in your mind. And also whenever you are going to have cover any emergencies happen, any uncertainties happen, you need to be feel free uh, so that you can able to get some important aspects of your life in terms of financial security. So that is the exact meaning of a financial security means to every individual. So please rethink that. And what is that financial security really means to you? What is that? Most of the people believe financial security means I want to be millionaire and I want to be billionaire. Is it? I don't think so. However, most of the entrepreneurs, sports persons and athletics etc. have a fortune in that one, but they're not able to manage that money and they lost that. I think you see the examples. I don't want to name it the exact sports persons and athlete persons. You just rethink and go and search in that one. Just I'm just giving the total glitch about the things. So really the security means to is, you don't need a mansion, you don't need a luxury cars, you don't need a private jet or become million or a financial secure. Only thing is you don't need to pay off your debts even. The only thing is you need to control your money. You need to have a management of money. You are into very much control about the money from how where the money is going, how the money is coming from, where the money is coming and what are the expenses you are making. That matters a lot. How you are controlling, how you are managing the money is a right way. That is a matters. That is a real financial security means. You are not worrying about your expenses of your peace life. That is also the major reason of a financial security means. And the major thing is, still different people have different opinions about a financial security. One should have a debt free in your life, and one should have a management of money, and you should have clear about the visions, clear about the money, where the money is going, which debts are happening, what are all the expenses are incurring in my every day to day basis. We need to have a clear vision, clear visibility about these things, and allocation of your emergency fund whenever any uncertainty happen, how you are managing that money, and what you are incurring, what you are getting income on a daily basis. That matters a lot. So you want to lead a luxury life, so you need to have such amount of, whenever you have a such credibility of generating of money, credibility of managing a money in a right way, then you can have clear visibility about the things what is important in your life, so that you can manage money and you can be peace in your life. That matters a lot. That is a call of financial security. So if this video is empower you for regarding the exact meaning of financial security, please give me a like and have a join my VIP Facebook root analysis for wealth and personality if you want to enhance your skills in the space of wealth. so that you can easily visible about your current status of the financials and where you need to go and how you need to go. I given every information about these things in my YouTube channel also. Please go and subscribe my YouTube channel madhukodidala.com, Madhu Kodidala. And also my website is there, www.madhukodidala.com. So you can go on visibility of every enhancement of your skills to evaluate your personal finance, evaluate your wealth, and evaluate your debts, money management, everything. You can see the visibility there. Thank you. Have a nice day.